Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to say about a virus which is currently ruling the entire world, and it is globally named as novel coronavirus or COVID-19. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do it to know more about unknown facts. Now let us begin the video. The journey of corona has started in late December 2019. A cluster of unknown phenomenon cases were reported by health authorities in Wuhan, which is located in Republic of China. The initial cases mostly had links to the Hunan seafood wholesale market. The virus that causes the outbreak is known as SARS-CoV-2. This is a new virus which is closely related to bat coronaviruses and was declared as novel corona pandemic. It was started in central China. Later, it was spread all over the China within the span of few weeks. The situation became critical when the cases from other countries are also reported, which was transmitted by international travelers. The first cases were reported from Vietnam, and several new cases were reported from Germany, Thailand, Japan, Australia, and USA. Now, more than 200 countries are affecting from this novel corona pandemic. This corona caused a first death on January 9, 2020. When I am making this video, the total confirmed cases are 24,14,612 and deaths registered are 1,65,939. WHO declared this epidemic as Global Health Emergency on 30th January 2020. Now, more than 44 countries are in complete lockdown and 65 countries are in partial lockdown, and stock markets are constantly crashing down globally. The word coronavirus is derived from the Latin word corona, which means crown or halo, which refers to the genital appearance of this virus. The virus consists a core of genital material with analog of protein spikes. This gives an appearance of crown, and crown in Latin word means corona. How does coronavirus spread? Commonly, it is spread through droplet infection. It is when the affected person coughs or sneezes, the viral particles will be released in the air and picked up by another person. It has also been infected through affected persons is closely contact with, example, his clothes, his accessories, etc. Symptoms of COVID-19. Most of the symptoms were related to the respiratory diseases. There were number of symptoms ranges from mild to severe. Mild symptoms, that is fever, cough and shortness of breath. Severe one will lead to pneumonia, kidney failure and finally results to death. Prevention and treatment. Currently there is no vaccine to prevent from 2019 novel coronavirus. The best way to prevent the virus are frequently washing the hands with alcohol-based sanitizer, which consists of 60% alcohol, maintaining the social distance. Cover your mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. The scientists have started working on vaccine which can prevent from coronavirus, and hospitals are testing antiviral drug to see if there is a good impact or not. Is recovery possible from coronavirus? The answer is yes. In most of the cases, and people who suffer from mild symptoms can be recovered. It is quite dangerous to elder people and people who are suffering from diabetes and cancer. Friends, I hope I shared basic knowledge on COVID-19, and before ending this video, my request to all is please be safe, stay at home, follow the precautions to win against novel coronavirus. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share with your friends.